Hi, this is our update for week 8 of our NoteTakerPlus app. So here's just a brief demo of the app. So you can see here we can add our notes from the new field up top, and the list is now updated automatically. And we can go in and edit a note also. And this will actually update the list on the first screen. So you can see that's been showing differently now. The completed notes screen has been added. And you can see now the collection's also being updated as we move between the screens. And we can mark a note incomplete, and that will be added back onto the main screen where you can see all everything that needs to be completed. So you can see the collections being modified straight away when users are making actions. Alright, so for this week we've been able to complete all tasks for Sprint 2 and made an early start on Sprint 3.
Hey, I'm Danny Maloney. For week 8, I implemented the edit functionality for existing notes. I also allowed checkboxes to be ticked when you tap on them, rather than being ticked when you tap anywhere on the note. Now you specifically have to tick the tap the checkbox for it to be ticked. I also refactored some of the code to be more MVVM style. However, there's still additional work that needs to be done in this area. And I also wrote an app prototype review for PMark.
This week I've been doing some more work on the toolbar. I worked on the actions for completing a task and troubleshooted some of the other actions as well. I also worked some more on the UI and moved some of the elements around the screen to make everything look a little better.
So this is Ashley. I worked on the completed notes screen and also did some troubleshooting of marking notes as completed. So the plan for the next coming week is to complete all tasks for Sprint 3, resolving any bugs that currently exist in the software, and also starting early on some of the tasks in Sprint 4. So the tasks in Sprint 4 are additional, but it would be good to make an early start on those. Here you can see our resources. So we've got our GitHub repository and the Trello board.